What a fuss-free and hubby-approved healthy recipe. Now, a whole roasted chicken might not be your first choice if you're thinking of hassle-free cooking and healthy food, but hear me out. Today, I'm sharing with you our easy whole roasted chicken with Gremolata recipe from the homemade method. What you're gonna love about this recipe is it's actually super easy to cook. Even if you've never cooked a whole chicken before in your whole life, you'll be amazed. Just prep it using our simple instructions, place it in the oven, and then relax. It's a safe bet that's guaranteed to win over your hubby too. And you can cook once and get days of food out of it by reinventing your leftovers. So enjoy it as a roast on the first day, then a chicken wrap on the next day, and then maybe a chicken and veggie soup the day after. And boy, is it good for you. It's packed with everyday superfoods, high in protein, and includes the kind of nutrients that support healthy weight loss, healthy blood numbers, high energy, and lasting good health, especially when you pair it with your favorite roasted veggies and side salad. Yum! So what are you waiting for? Here's what to do next. If you'd like to get access to my easy whole roasted chicken with Gremolata recipe, just head down to the description below this video. There's a link where you can get it for free. If you're on a phone or an iPad, you might need to click the little drop down arrow next to the title to find the description. And I'd love you to share a photo of your creation in our Facebook group. There's a link to that in the description below as well. Soak up the comfort of an old-fashioned roast and enjoy the smells wafting through your kitchen, and pat yourself on the back for getting your healthy prep done. Enjoy this heartwarming recipe. It just might become your new favorite. Bye for now.